Welcome back guys to another small video. I done my cleaning of my PlayStation 4 Slim. Everything is working perfectly fine. As you guys can see, all is working. Let's go into a big game what might ramp up the fans, and the console is all the way on this side, so I'm not going to show you all that, but this is just a short video to show you guys that console is working. I am going to be playing other games. There is a couple of games that I haven't finished, so hopefully by the time I'm done with this video, I'll be making the other videos shortly after. But normally with this Call of Duty or any new Call of Duty, my fans always ramp up to high, but with this one there's no high fans or jet sounds, and yeah, it's not as like how some other consoles will react. I do see my PC is actually getting quite warm though. I need to actually clean my PC, but I need to do that on another time. Maybe I do a cleaning video about me cleaning my PC, I'm not sure, but I'll have to see. And I'll probably use the GoPro for that purpose. Okay, so let's play a zombie round. I know a lot of people play zombies. I'm gonna play solo because I just want to show you guys how's the reactions to it. Yes, I don't have a SSD hard drive in my console, but that's because I wanted more space. So I might later in stage do that. And if you are new to the channel and you're wondering why am I posting out this video, it's because of the previous video that I made of cleaning the PlayStation 4, but you guys will know what's the title of it. So is it starting? Yeah, it's starting. So let's see, what weapons do I have? Can I do a challenge? What is the challenge for this operator? 125 1 millimeter 5 rapid heals. Okay, I don't know what that is all about, but I take it's probably using a melee weapon like a cane or a bat. I'm gonna use the cane. I know people's probably gonna tell me why don't they use something else, or I'm just gonna use the cane. This is the new zombie map at the time, so it is like 2021 in September, but there is supposed to be another new zombie map. I mean, I don't know if it's for Cold or if it's for Vanguard. I'm not sure. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, I don't hear my fan of the PlayStation. I do hear my PC though, or the laptop though, but I don't hear my PlayStation 4 Slim. And again, this is only for the PlayStation 4 Slim. It's not for the Pro. Unfortunately, I don't have a Pro close by to show that. But there's other videos. Maybe sometime in the future I'll do one. I clean it out and sort it
out. Find the Omega traitor Valentina. Her undead army must be stopped. Get it done, or your pirate pays the ultimate price.
There is no...
Get him a body bag.
Anyone? So if there is like some delay or something, it's not because I'm gonna fall down. No? No? Oh. Hey buddy.
And here everyone thought I was the treacherous bastard. Turns out Miss Goody Two-Shoes was a Nazi agent this whole time.
Not just a Nazi pick. Her father led N-Station, the very facility that caused the outbreaks and opened the portals to the Dark Ether. She has planned this from the start. Get the power on. We won't find her in darkness.
Fine.
Frank.
Bonus points.
Zombie. Where's this? Oh, there we go. Hey buddy. Just going all the way. Opening up. Ow. Kind of it. How much do I need to open here? 250. Oh, and there is the, what is it called? I need to do, okay, let us finish the plan.
Fret clear. How's that for
There
shit?
is a other melee weapon. Main line.
I hope you are smart enough to avoid being hit by a train.
That's why you don't mess with us.
Oh, but no one there. No, thank you.
Tagged him.
Like where that two zombies are, but okay. Open up here. Movement is quite smooth. Not too hectic.
You're like a bull in a china shop, Requiem. Can't touch anything without breaking it. Go on, find replacement fuses.
Double points for one zombie. 2 zombies, 3 zombies. That double point will be needed. Okay, I can't close that. The workbench. to that side.
Enemy deleted.
Let me use this Uzi. Never used it before.
An SMG fits the bill.
Tempests are a thorn in our side. They are responsible for the terraforming crystals throughout the Ural Mountains.
Alright, that's the first fuse. Chop chop.
There we go. Yeah, place a fuse. Just try and put the power on. After that, I'm gonna put the power on. Well, I'm going to put the power on, but I need to get to. Hey, buddy. There you go. Then got the fuse. Just gotta switch on the power. Yeah. Oh, train coming. One train go past. I think both trains went past.
Project N Station had a lab here in Berlin. That is where you will find Valentina.
The power's on, the box is over there. I need to that's on there. Hang on, did I do? No.
That shut, you gob.
Here we go. I'm trying to get that melee weapons. I have rapid melee else. I know the spade would be better. That was pretty slow. One over there.
I got your number. Oh. Shambling corpse neutralized.
Range. I'm actually trying to do the challenge. Get 25 kills with a melee weapon, but you have to get 5 rapid kills. And I get that. I'm just trying to pile them up nicely. Damn it.
Could use assistance.
And I got 14. That's not too bad. I could have get more, but yeah. So console is still working perfectly fine. There's cool airwords blowing from the back, but it will get a little warm because the console will be on for a bit. And yeah, it's perfectly fine. It's quiet. It's not screaming at you that you're playing a game. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this short zombie map play. I got a couple of things. The only thing that I don't like from having a normal PS4 or actually even the Pro is that they don't have a SSD in, and you have to upgrade that yourself. So maybe sometime in the future I'll make a video where I'm doing that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you're new, and it also helps the channel. So share and comment. Let me know what you guys think about the zombie map. What do you guys think about my previous video? I'm not putting this video and the other video together because I don't have yet the editing software to do that, and I actually want to learn how to do that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, don't let anyone bring you down, always down, stay positive, and I'll see you guys. Cheers.